morning, guys. I wanted to talk this morning about what parts of recovery seem to be the hardest. I've had liposuction. I haven't had any other procedures. But there's another person on TikTok I follow, Peach GI, and she just had a neck lift. And, she was kind of talking about her recovery. So I thought this would be interesting. That first night can kind of be hard, especially for tummy tuck. For a lot of other procedures, it's not that bad. You still got pain meds from anesthesia on board. You might be nauseated. If that happens, that's a bummer. But it's not usually too bad. Pain kind of hits you day one. And then depending on how you're healing, things may be good after that in terms of discomfort. Like you're still gonna be sore, but hopefully a little bit better every day. People definitely seem to have a hard time with the fluctuations. Like they'll feel like they're getting better, and then they'll have a setback day. And that's normal healing, but it can be tough mentally. And then in terms of the mental part, it's not unusual to have like this sadness feeling a couple of weeks after surgery. People get almost depressed. My dog is pacing back and forth. And wonder if they did the right thing. And that is really common. And then the other part that seems to be tough in terms of recovery is the looking at the little asymmetries and weird little puckers and how the incision is raised up in this part and not this part. And that's tough because that stuff all happens with healing and it takes a few months to settle out and it's tough to be patient. If you've had surgery, what was the hardest part of recovery for you? I'm curious.